To make deco, you will need a cucumber. Wash it and cut it in half. Take a spoon and start scooping it like ice cream. You can keep the seed in the dish if you like, especially if the cucumber is still young. Older cucumbers tend to give it a more sour taste. Rotate or move the cucumber from one side to the other so that you can get a good scoop. Hold the cucumber in the palm of your hand at a slight angle. Angle it down so that as you're scooping, all the juices and all the cucumber meat will fall into the bowl. Don't apply too much pressure as you're scooping the cucumber, as this could rip the skin. And then it'll make scooping the cucumber just a tad bit more difficult. You want to continue to scoop the cucumber until you can see the skin of the cucumber, basically till it's almost see-through. Your cucumber that's been scooped out should look like shaved ice almost. If you don't prefer the seeds, you can always scoop them out, as I am doing here. Just use your spoon to go along the edges and scoop out the seeds. Smaller cucumbers, they don't take as long to scoop, but take your time. Sometimes when you're in a hurry, you can actually scoop too hard or apply too much pressure and the cucumber will actually break off, but that's okay. You can still work around it and continue to scoop the rest of the cucumber. Once you're finished, add some ice to the dish. That'll make it nice and cool and refreshing, especially for the summertime. Transfer it to a cup, and if you like, you can always add sugar to make it a tad bit sweeter. Enjoy!